Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Steam for a game, app, or DLC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a help option there, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This is Steam's dedicated help center where you can manage all your support requests, including refunds. Now here's something important you need to keep in mind before proceeding. Refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. Steam has a strict refund policy, so make sure your purchase falls within this time frame. Additionally, if you've played a game for more than 2 hours, your refund request might be denied. These are Steam's standard eligibility requirements, so it's worth checking your purchase date and playtime before moving forward. Once you're in the Steam support section, navigate to Recent Products. This section displays all your recent purchases, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Click on the game you want to request a refund for. This will open up a new page with various support options specifically related to that game. On this page, you'll see several categories of issues. Click on Gameplay or Technical Issues. Even though you're requesting a refund and not reporting a technical problem, this is the pathway Steam has set up to access refund requests. It might seem a bit counterintuitive, but this is how Steam's support system is structured. Next, you'll see additional options appear. Click on I am having another problem. This option allows you to bypass the standard troubleshooting steps and get straight to what you need, which in this case is a refund request rather than technical assistance. After clicking that, you'll see another option appear. Click on I would like to request a refund. This is the final step in accessing the actual refund request form. By selecting this option, you're telling Steam exactly what you want to do with your purchase. At this point, Steam will present you with refund options and show you where the money will be refunded to. You'll typically have the choice between refunding to your Steam wallet or to your original payment method. Steam wallet refunds are usually processed faster, while refunds to your original payment method can take several business days to appear in your account. Choose whichever option works best for you, and Steam will process your request. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your refund request on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.